This is my Kokoda Tribute Series 3, purchased in 2013 September. Just want to show you a setup of a 12 volt fridge arrangement. It's been working non-stop for 3 years, purely solar. This is the Waeco 2-door fridge. It's 12 volt, purely 12 volt. Never had a problem with it. Runs great. I'll just stop and open the doors and show you inside. Waeco fridge, cleaned out and emptied at the moment. Hate to tell everyone, but it works in 40 plus degrees days, non-stop, 4 degrees in the fridge, freezer frozen, no issues. This is a display unit of the Voltronic regulator, which is only one part of it. It's a real good unit. I'll tell you a bit more about it shortly. Here I've got two 190 watt Trina panels. They're blocks on the corners. They're purely stuck down with Sikaflex. There's no screws. They're both coupled together. You get into the terminal block at the top there. All using the MC4 connectors underneath. They're just in series, in parallel, sorry. And yeah, they're 48 volts each panel. Just a view looking at the back of the refrigerator, 12 volt refrigerator, Waeco. You can see the panels are putting out around about varying in the 30s to 40s volts. And I'll see if I can get a picture of the regulator where they're connected, which is just up inside the cupboard here. Here you can just see the Voltronic MPPT regulator, which is connected to the display just above the door inside the van. It's got a roughly up to 48 volts input and 12 volt output. So even with the panels fully shaded at the moment, they're still charging the batteries at near zero sun on them, and the fridge is still running until dark. Well, the solar will be, the fridge will keep running all day. In here, just one under the seat of the table, there's two 120 amp hour full river batteries. Yeah, and the battery charger just sitting in there behind them, and that runs the fridge, yeah, for the last 3 years. Haven't been touched. Yeah, so that's the refrigeration setup on Kokoda Tribute Series 2. Reason I've sort of put this up is I see so many people asking about gas and turning it on and turning it off, 12 volt, should I have this and should I have that. I've set this up, designed it myself, turn the fridge on, and it stays on all year round, whether the van's parked up or not. There's always something in it generally, and no issues at service stations, with pilot lights, total fire ban days, running out of gas, 40 plus degree days, just brilliant. Hope you liked the video.